How to locate product distillation dates. We've made it easy to locate the distillation dates of our essential oils. Simply locate the batch number by referencing the top dot on the bottle of oil. Once you've identified your batch number, simply enter the name of the product in the master search bar. Scroll down the page until the Batch History tab becomes visible. Click on Batch History to reveal the distillation date of each batch and some additional information. You'll notice we keep the 4 most recent batches of any oil visible so you can easily compare the distillation date, the top chemical components, and the country of origin across multiple batches of oil. Are you curious about the shelf life of your oil? Simply click on the Shelf Life tab to reveal the suggested shelf life. Now that you know the distillation date of your oil, you can use the shelf life information to ensure your oil is still at its highest vibrancy.